Now weather with meteorologist Elisa Raffa.
It's been busy here in the KOLR 10 Weatherland. We've got a severe thunderstorm watch that goes until 9 o'clock. This is the watch. The Weather Service just chopped away the counties up to the north and to the west as this line kind of continues to push east. This line stretching now from pretty much northwest Arkansas up to Rolla has some very gusty winds. Lots of reports of some trees down, even some highway signs possibly down as well. Look at this line. We've got a couple of warnings. One warning includes Springfield for Greene, Barry, Christian counties. This goes until 5:30. Again, we've had a lot of reports of some tree limbs down here. The Weather Service at the airport reported a wind gust of 67 miles per hour. The warning has been extended to the east to include counties like Christian, Stone, Taney, continuing to move east as this line does. So some cities up next are Marshfield, Ava, Branson, about to get in on some locally heavy rain, lots of lightning and very gusty winds. We also have this cluster up here that has had a history of having some little pockets of rotation. We had one tornado warning in here earlier, so you want to be careful with this storm too. This warning goes until 5:30, includes places like Rolla. Lots of lightning in this whole stretch, lots of heavy rain, and again, we've got very gusty winds because it's kind of organizing into a line. We've got multiple wind reports in Greene County of some trees down, some localized flooding on the roads, and we've had some unconfirmed reports of some highway signs down as well. This is all the rain that we got even from rounds of storms this morning. So look at the rainfall map. If you see a lot of yellows and reds where you are susceptible to more flooding this evening as these storms kind of sit and have a lot of moisture in them. The atmosphere just soaked. The atmospheric moisture, it's got a lot of energy. It's got a lot of moisture, so we'll continue with these storms through the evening. You can see how pretty it looks, though, as it pops these storms just on the tail end of the low, and that's up to the north. So here is the severe weather risk for the rest of the night. The enhanced risk kind of includes most of our area, meaning we've got a couple of these storms strong to severe, as we've seen already. The main threats, as we've seen already, damaging winds, 60 to 70 miles per hour, large hail up to golf ball, ping pong ball size, and then that localized flooding threat. Tornado threat is low but not zero, something to keep an eye out. Timing on the rest of the night. The worst of it, the brunt of it, I think is happening right now. We'll see this line continue to move south through the evening hours. By the time I see you again at 9 and 10, things should be a little bit calmer, and then we should be mostly quiet on the overnight. A couple of storms maybe redevelop, and then by tomorrow, maybe an isolated storm. But the next story is going to be the heat advisory. In effect, for Wednesday and Thursday will be mostly sunny, dry, hot, and humid. Temperatures in the low to middle 90s by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Heat index in the triple digits. We'll see that heat index get as hot as 110 as we head through the weekend. 73 overnight. We'll see these storms move through and then exit. Again, please stay weather aware. The watch goes until 9 o'clock tonight. 93 tomorrow. Heat advisory. That's going to feel like 105. So that's going to be the next hazard. Stay cool and stay hydrated. An 8 on the color radar. Look at the 7-day. Much quieter as far as storm chances. Will be mostly sunny through Sunday, but we'll keep the temperatures in the low to middle 90s with that heat index 100 and up to 110. So again, check on the elderly, check on pets. Those are most susceptible to heat sickness. Never leave the kids or the pets in the car. Things to keep in mind.
All right, and of course, to know what's happening with the weather in your area, download our free KOLR 10 weather app. It's available on the various app stores that are out there right now, and those kinds of services that we provide can help keep you up to date and ahead of the storms that we're seeing, like we're experiencing right now today.
It will send you a push alert for your location if you get a warning, so something good to know.